mid-1800s by a Frenchman. And at that time there were two species, the chestnut one, castaneus, and this thing called cyanescens, which turns blue when you just look at it harshly, right? And the thing about gyroporus, somebody mentioned it, I think Noah might have mentioned it the other day in his talk, and if you snap the stipe, it'll just snap straight across. But if you try to snap one like this, it doesn't snap so well. And that's because the hyphae and the stipe go up and down, all right? But in gyroporus, the hyphae don't go up and down. They go this way, around the stipe. So you've got these longitudinal cells going circumferentially around the stipe. That's why it snaps so easily. Okay? So now you know a very distinctive feature of gyroporus. The hyphae are circumferentially arranged in the stipe. Furthermore, it has a yellow spore print, completely different from the other boletes, and it has clamp connections, not common in boletes. So you've got three really hot features there. The color of the spores, circumferentially arranged hyphae in the stipe, and clamp connections. What's really wild is that gyroporus is more closely related to scleroderma than it is to boletus edulis. But that's not how I learned it when I was growing up. To me, anything with pores and a stem, fleshy mushroom, was a bolete, and it didn't matter. Okay? Okay. Am I out of gas? What else? You know, that's a group that I'm not familiar with at all. Because people started working on these things after I stopped working on North American boletes.
Yeah.
There's something else down here, though. Just these, what's it called, the Paxillus and Gomphidius. When I was growing up, this was called Paxillus atrotomentosus. Easily known because of the dark brown, almost black velvet on the stipe. Big mushroom, often eccentrically attached to the cap, but it turns out that it's not really a Paxillus because it has a different kind of nutrition. It's a brown rotting fungus. It's not a mycorrhizal fungus. And because of that, because of its nutritional mode and some other things, it was removed from Paxillus and placed in a separate genus called Tapenella. Those things are brown rots, like wood rotting fungi. Yeah? So it forms a brown rot. Oh, we used to call it Paxillus atrotomatosus. Still atrotomatosus, just the genus name is telling us, it's a little different. It has a different biology, and that's why often we can think about how things are in their biology by how we describe them in terms of the genus name. Yeah? All right.